The new innovative Merlin Easy range takes the hassle out of fitting. The unique, patent-pending Easy Fit mechanism makes fitting Merlin Easy simple to install. Unlike standard shower doors, Merlin Easy is a one-person install, uses no screws on the frame assembly and is built on the tray, so it's perfect for fitting in smaller bathrooms and en-suites. The slot and lock fittings dramatically eliminate the need for any screws and drilling on the frame assembly. The Easy Fit rollers and clever installation tools all make Merlin Easy the easiest door you will ever fit. Slot and lock system. This completely unique fitting system requires no screws for assembly, unlike standard doors. The profiles just simply slot into place. No drilling. There is no drilling required on the profiles or side panels to lock in the adjustment. Instead, you simply hand tighten the profile in place using the innovative pre-installed locking system. Unlike on standard doors, where profile drilling is time-consuming, errors can occur and leaves an unsightly mess, with the potential to damage your door. Click-on rollers. Rollers come completely pre-assembled and simply click onto the fixing, eliminating the possibility of fitting the rollers incorrectly and again saving you precious time. Assembled on tray. The clever Merlin Easy system allows installers to assemble the door directly on the tray, making it a one-person install. Standard doors need to be assembled off the tray, which can be awkward in tight spaces, and sometimes requires an extra pair of hands to lift it onto the tray, increasing the risk of damage. Merlin Easy eliminates the hardship and saves you time. Merlin Easy, the easiest shower door you will ever fit.